Hello dear student, today I am going to discuss the important question of chapter force and pressure and reproduction. The first question is, which part of female reproductive system is called mother's womb and why? This question is of 2 marks I have given here. The female reproductive system, the uterus part of the female reproductive system is called mother's womb. Now the second part is why. It is called the mother's womb because the development of embryo occur here and all the nourishment from the mother is taken by the developing embryo, then fetus and the baby from the mother in this uterus only through the cord, that is the umbilical cord. That's why it is called the mother's womb. Second question, why do deep sea divers wear special suit when they go deep under the sea? As we know that the pressure of the liquid increases when we go down. The pressure of the liquid increases with depth, beta. You must know this. So, with the deep sea divers, when they go down inside or under the sea, they bear the pressure of the various layer of water. If they will not wear the special suit, the pressure of the water may crush their body. So protect their body from the pressure of water or protect their body from injuries, they have to wear the special suit. So the swimmer who swim on the surface, they don't need such type of suits. Third question, what is the atmospheric pressure? Explain why liquid rises in straw when we suck it. What is atmospheric pressure? You know that what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the mixture of air present around us. The mixture of air present around us constitute to form the atmosphere. And the pressure exerted by these gases or the air is called the atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the gases at any point of the earth is called the atmospheric pressure. Now the next part is why liquid rises in straw when we suck it. The liquid rises in straw when we suck it because when we keep the straw inside the liquid in a bottle and you suck it, the vacuum created in the straw. The vacuum, we cannot say it is a complete vacuum, the partial vacuum created in the straw, and inside the liquid there is more pressure and inside the straw there is less pressure. So always remember the pressure rises from higher to the lower, and because of this the liquid rises in the straw. What is fertilization? The process of fusion of male gamete with the female gamete is called the fertilization. The fusion of male gamete sperm with the fusion of female gamete ova is called the fertilization. There are two types of fertilization. One is the internal fertilization and other is the external fertilization. Internal, when it occur inside the body of female, it is internal, and when it is occur outside the body is called the external. Example, in the case of internal, it is human being is there, internal fertilization, hen is there, and frog is external one. What is metamorphosis? The next question, what is metamorphosis? Write down the name of hormone which play an important role in completing the process of metamorphosis in frog. Also write down one difference between frog and tadpole. The metamorphosis is a process in which the various changes occur. There are physically various changes occurs during the development. Or you can also say metamorphosis is the sequence or the series in which the changes occur from the tadpole to the adult. Physical various changes occur. Name the hormone. The hormone is that is thyroxine. Thyroxine is the hormone which play an important role in the completion of the process of metamorphosis in the frog. What is the difference between frog and tadpole? Frog has lungs for breathing and tadpole has gills for breathing. Of course, you can also say that when the frog is inside the water, it can use the skin also, and when it is outside the water, it can use lungs. Next question, What is non-contact force? Explain the types of non-contact force. The question is, what is non-contact force? As the name indicates, the force will work when the two objects are not even in a physical contact with each other. That type of force is called the non-contact force. There are three types of non-contact force. The first one is electrostatic force, the force which occurs due to the charging of an object or the charged particle or the charged object. It's called the electrostatic force. Charges may be of two types. It is of two types, positive and negative. Same charge repel each other and opposite charge attract each other. Second is magnetic force. The force exerted by the magnet is called the magnetic force. The magnet has the capability to attract the iron objects. It can also attract the nickel cobalt object also towards it, and the force is called the magnetic force. And the third type of force of the non-contact is the gravitational force. What is the gravitational force or the force of gravity? It is the pull of the earth that because of it attract everything towards itself is called the gravitational force or the force of gravity. You know that on this earth every object which is having the mass have the force of gravity. In between the two books, in between the two persons, there is a force of gravity. But we consider the force of gravity of earth because the earth has the huge mass. Next question is, explain in vitro fertilization technique. Why is it become necessary to adopt this method of fertilization? In vitro means outside. Generally, the fertilization occurs inside the body. In the man, in the human being, the fertilization occurs inside the female body. But when the fertilization does not occur inside the female body, it occurs outside, it is called the in vitro fertilization technique. It is also called the test tube baby technique because the fertilization of sperm and ova occurs in a test tube or in a petri dish. Now, why it is become necessary to adopt this method of fertilization? Sometime due to some problem when the female oviducts are blocked and sometimes the ovaries are not capable to form the proper ova, or sometimes the sperms are also not very active. Mainly the first reason is when the oviduct is blocked, the ova is not able to come inside the oviduct, because we know that the fertilization occurs in the oviduct. So in that case, we adopt the in vitro fertilization. The ova is taken from the female and the sperm is taken from the male, and the fertilization occurs outside the body. 8th question, explain why a school bag is provided with the broad strap. The school bag is provided with the broad strap because when the strap is broad, the area of contact will be more and the pressure of the books you will feel is less. So, to feel the less pressure, to take the bag comfortable, the bag is provided with the broad strap because as we know the area of contact is more, the pressure exerted will be less. Next is, what is Bion force? Write down the unit of pressure. What is the Bion force? The Bion force is the upthrust force which is created by the liquids, or it is also called the buoyancy. Because of this Bion force, the aquatic animals or the swimmers swim on the surface of water. What is the pressure? Units of pressure. The unit of pressure is Pascal. The unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. So beta ji, this is the important question of the chapter and I have explained all. Thank you.